Keep it steady. Left, got it, easy. Looks perfect, bring it down. Mind your heads up there. Bringing this out now. Watch the dust, guys. Keep it moving. This goes out. Almost done with this patch. Watch that beam. Keep it steady. Locking it in now. Getting there with the floor. Just a bit more paint. All right, over here. Cushions look good. Table goes right here.
Sure.
Careful with the screen.
Sure.
Locked into place. Line it up perfectly. Okay, now the bed frame. Watch the corner. Grab the mattress, heavy. Get the lamps on the tables. Unroll the rug, quickly. Final check, looks great.
All right, grab those pieces. Let's move this out quickly.
Vacuum everything thoroughly.
Next, the mirror and dresser.
Crowbar time for the cupboard.
The walls need to be perfectly smooth. Keep the curve consistent with the ceiling. Slide that tile in, precise alignment. Just a bit more plaster here.
Line it up there. Slowly. Locked. All right, lights on. Lights on. All right, light. Keep it coming. Going in. Watch the drop. Fits perfectly. Together. Right, move it out. Going up. Clear the way. 1500. Got it. And 75 wide?
Keep it moving, faster. Tires here, pipe engaged, draining now. Turn on the washer, scrub harder.
All right, over here. Let's get these loungers down. Table goes here, and the light's on.
Keep it moving, faster.